How you guys doing? And thanks for tuning in. Look at this beautiful 2023 STX Super Duty in red with some mpower 3s behind the grille, in amber and white on custom brackets with some all amber Phoenix rockers underneath the doors. Oh, I hope our friends at Homer Glen are happy. We're going to work our way around the back and show you the amber firing bezel and amber complementing 4x2s on the toolbox. And who doesn't love a little extra rear lighting? Of course, they're dual color 4x2s, and of course we put the secondary switch on a flood. This is going to be a plow truck, so he's going to want to use that rear lighting once in a while. And we could have did that all around the truck, but really it's the rear lighting that is the most important. So, you like this build? We put it all together for you. All the details are going to be in the description, and it's all available at wickedwarnings.com. Thanks for tuning in.